Hello, today I'm going to talk about the matcha green tea latte mix. It is 8 ounces here, and I love tea. This is so yummy. This product takes green tea to a whole new level. This is not simple matcha powder. It's sweet, and I drink it kind of as a snack time drink. I am a huge fan of bubble tea, and I make my own boba, and I like to add bubbles to a cool glass of this. It's great both cold and hot. It's perfect, and it's also difficult to mess up. Like, no matter how many spoonfuls you put in your glass and add water, it still tastes good in my opinion. But you always start out with hot water, and then you can cool it in different ways. It comes in this tin, this green tin, and it has a plastic cap here, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. A lot of it is gone already, so I go through it pretty quickly. I don't drink it every day, and it is a green powder, and I've poured some into this cup so you can see a little bit better what it looks like here. And it just looks like green powder, and that's what it comes out as when you are drinking it. It is sweetened, so you don't have to add any type of honey or sugar to it to make it sweeter. It's pretty sweet already. It's definitely a treat. It's not your average green tea. To make an iced tea latte, I just make the hot one first, and then I pour it over a glass of ice. I can also put it in the fridge for a bit. The powder dissolves very quickly into the liquid, so you don't have to worry about stirring it too much. It's a very green, milky color because it's a latte. And I store it next to all my other teas. Like I said, I'm a tea person. I love tea over coffee any day. And I keep it with them in my cupboard, and it's dark in there, it's cool, and you're supposed to store tea at a room temperature level or colder. And so this definitely fits in there right with them. It's not just a regular tea though with tea leaves or matcha powder. And so it doesn't really blend in perfectly with the rest, but it's still a nice drink. It contains milk, wheat, and coconut. It does have calories. So per serving, there are 130 calories. The serving size is 3 tablespoons. I don't even put that much in one glass. I usually put 1 or 2. I don't find that I need 3. So about 8 per container, 8 servings. But it depends on personal tastes, and I don't find that much is necessary. So it still tastes really good, like I said, no matter how much you put in there. It's a fun gift idea for someone who likes green tea or who just likes this kind of thing. And also someone who likes the brand Trader Joe's. It's just a really nice gift. I mean, I would love it as a gift. I've never given it as a gift, but I would love it. It's a great party drink, so if you're having friends over and you want to spice it up and add something new to the menu, then you can make these types of drinks, maybe make a picture of it. It's really up to you. This can be a very cozy drink, or this can be a really nice, sweet, milky drink. It is kosher. I love Trader Joe's. They have amazing products, and they've been around since 1958. They're located in California, and they have branches all over the US. Definitely check them out. Their products are amazing. They're very unique, and they're usually very health conscious. So I would definitely look into their products. Definitely try this. Definitely. I recommend it. Thank you so much for watching this video.